Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings and here let's tap on the apps. They should be on the third position. Now let's tap on see all 38 apps. Of course, 38 is only in my case, so let's tap on it and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here, let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So, of course, among others, the disabled apps, the default applications for actions, and any permission restrictions. No worries, you won't lose any of data. It is 100% safe. So simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your NOKIA C32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.